For individuals with paralysis or locked-in syndrome, AI-powered BCIs offer a lifeline, allowing them to communicate, control prosthetic limbs, and interact with their environment using only their thoughts. By learning the unique neural signatures associated with specific movements or intentions, AI algorithms can translate these signals into commands that control external devices, restoring a degree of independence and agency to those who have lost it.
Beyond assistive applications, AI is also being used to develop brain-computer interfaces that can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and even treat mental health disorders. For example, researchers are exploring the use of AI-powered deep brain stimulation to alleviate the symptoms of Parkinson's disease, depression, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. By precisely targeting and modulating neural activity in specific brain regions, these AI-driven therapies offer hope for individuals who have not found relief through traditional treatments.
Moreover, the integration of AI and brain tech has the potential to revolutionize human-computer interaction. Imagine a world where we can control our devices with our minds, effortlessly navigate virtual environments, or even share our thoughts and emotions directly with others. While such scenarios may seem like science fiction today, the rapid pace of innovation in this field suggests that they may become reality sooner than we think. As AI continues to advance and our understanding of the brain deepens, the possibilities for merging minds and machines will only continue to expand.
While this journey is fraught with challenges and ethical dilemmas, the potential benefits for individuals and society as a whole are simply too great to ignore.
As we look ahead, the future of AI and neural technology is both exciting and uncertain.
We are on the brink of breakthroughs that could redefine how we understand and interact with our own minds. The possibilities are endless, but we must tread carefully.
It's a delicate balance between innovation and caution, one that requires thoughtful consideration and collaboration from all stakeholders.
Together, we can shape a future where AI and neural technology enhance human potential in ways we can only begin to imagine today.